Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today the Tiny Whoop motor contest ended, and I'm going to go ahead and I have hopped onto the Gleam site here. So what I'm going to do really quick, guys, is I'm going to draw 5 random people. I do have to check to make sure that everybody is qualified, that they're subscribed and everything like that, so I won't take you through that whole process. But as soon as I get that done, I will let you guys know in just a sec. Alright, so we've got our 5 winners. And checked to make sure that everybody was subscribed and done everything that they needed to do. And so our 5th place winner with the special sauce motors, that's going to go to Mr. Alex Zamora. So I actually know Alex. He's in the multi-GP group that I fly with, so I will be handing him his motors. So the next person is Tony Lepic. Or McFlight, and I know McFlight actually. So McFlight wins the NOS sauce motors, so I'll be giving those to him. I'll actually be flying with him tomorrow. And so the next person up is Alex Florence. Alex, or Alexander Florence, however you say your name. So Alexander, you are the winner of the Ultra Sauce motors. So, and so second prize and the Tiny Whoop sticker package. So the second prize is going to get these Eagle Sauce motors by Tiny Whoop. So, and second prize goes to Bill Anderson. So, and he is out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And then our final grand prize winner is Mr. Jeremy Morano. I hope I said your name right. Execute. So, Jeremy, you are the winner of the Awesome Sauce motors, and you are also the winner of the Tiny Whoop t-shirt. So, everybody that I've called out your name, except for the bottom 2 people, I know them directly, so I'll be contacting them. But Alex Florence, please contact me. Bill, please contact me. And Jeremy, all 3 of these people, you'll need to contact me within 48 hours. Looks like you all guys have verified email addresses, so I will be sending an email to each one of you guys. You'll need to respond back to me within 48 hours to claim your prizes. I'll get your addresses and we will get those shipped out to you guys. So congratulations to our 5 winners. And thank you guys again for excuse me, supporting the channel. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for being subscribers, guys. I very, very much appreciate it. So, guys, with that being said, have an awesome weekend. I'm going to be out doing some freestyling. I'm going to be doing some testing with my long range. And so I hope to do some good footage for you guys. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. In the meantime, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. And I'll talk to you guys later.